This is Dr. Davis, and I'm going to be your history instructor for this semester. We always have a lot of fun in history because it's really cool to go back through history and look and see where we as a people, as a culture, came from and how we got to where we are today. Best way to start the course that I can think of is to give you a virtual tour of it. We'll start with the navigation bar over here. If you notice, it says Start Here, Announcements, UAC Information, Course Resources, Instructor Contact Info, Assignments, Discussions, Messages, Send Email, Gradebook, Turn It In, and then Tools. The Start Here page is this one, right where you start, where it opens up. You have to. This will reach it to access the assignment. What we discuss instructor in my content cell link to the with some have. The quizzes you have to have are thing 3 and to the calendar. What you have navigate this and forum will be over here. You okay? I want to talk email. Okay, number, but I'm going. I'm hoping so.